All right, team, it's time for that Easter tradition of making bird's nests. All right, got a cup of peanut butter here that I melted. We got our chow mein noodles, and I've also seen this done with pretzel sticks, but chow mein noodles are the industry standard, right? And we got a little milk chocolate that I've melted. About a cup's worth, give or take. On this one, I didn't quite measure. I was just like, put the bag in. We'll make it chocolatey. We got one packet of these Ghirardelli melted chocolates, melting wafers. All right. Now all we're gonna do is just mix, kind of fold these over a little bit. You wanna get all these little chow mein noodles covered. You want that peanut butter and chocolate to mix up too. You're trying not to break the noodles so much, but if it happens, it happens. Try to get them as coated as possible. Hey, we got a little parchment sheet lined cookie sheet here. All right. So we're gonna build our little nests. And I'm gloved up on this hand because I know I'm gonna get like chocolate everywhere while we put these together. So get those on. Like build these with your heart, about a tablespoon or so. It's a decent sized spoon right here. Oops. Now this tray only holds 8 of these things. At least the size I put them together. So we might have to do a separate tray. Now we got our little Cadbury eggs here, little chocolate eggs. The mini eggs, all right. We'll just stick on a couple on each of these. Guys, I am definitely not reinventing the wheel here. This is just me having some fun. I know the kids will love these. So that's why we're doing this one. All right, team, we're done. Got them all set up. Guys, these are looking pretty dang tasty to me. We're gonna get them in the fridge at least an hour, let them set up, all right? But I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, we just got these bad boys out of the fridge. They're looking exactly like I remembered them. Let's get a bite. Tastes like I remember them too. Guys, peanut butter chocolate. What more do you want? You guys gotta make these for Easter. Because baby, you know it's good.